Wind-Up Mouse by Leo Leone. Help! Help! A mouse! There was a scream, then a crash. Cups, saucers, and spoons were flying in all directions. Alexander ran for his hole as fast as his little legs would carry him. All Alexander wanted was a few crumbs, and yet every time they saw him, they would scream for help or chase him with a broom. One day, when there was no one in the house, Alexander heard a
squeak.
Alexander heard a squeak in Annie's room. He sneaked in, and what did he see?
Another mouse.
Another mouse. But not an ordinary mouse. Okay.
Mouse. Mouse.
Himself.
Wheels.
Instead of legs, it had two little wheels. And on its back there was a key. Who are you? Asked Alexander. I am Willie, the Wind-Up Mouse, Annie's favorite toy. They wind me to make me run around in circles. They cuddle me, and at night I sleep on a soft white pillow between the doll and woolly teddy bear. Everyone loves me. They don't care much for me, said Alexander sadly, but he was happy to have found a friend. Let's go to the
crumbs, he said.
Let's go to the kitchen and look for crumbs, he said. Oh, I can't, said Willie. I can only move when they wind me, but I don't mind.
Everybody loves me.
Everybody loves me. Alexander too came to love Willie. He went to visit him whenever he could. He told him of his adventures with brooms, flying saucers, and
mouse traps.
Willie talked about the penguin